Hi guys, so you know I always like to kind of give you multi-purpose uses when I suggest buying a bottle, and I did just film something else with Licor 43. It's coming out a little bit later, so make sure that you've subscribed and all of that good stuff to see it. But this one is a little Spanish liqueur. It's often called a vanilla liqueur, but as you probably can guess by the name, it actually has 43 ingredients in there. So heaps of citrus and spice and kind of botanicals, herbal notes as well. So really layered and complex. I was having a little look on their website. So, you know, I always like to do my research for you, and saw one of the cocktails that they suggested, which basically just looks like a really kind of nice, like leveled up gin and tonic, but using Licor 43 instead. So I thought that I would give that a little go, and hopefully it's a lovely summer drink for those of you in the Northern Hemisphere coming into some nicer weather. So this one is super simple, just build in the glass. We're gonna go in with 30 mils of our Licor 43. I'm sure this would work with like a vermouth or kind of like a gentler, softer Amaro as well. And then just 15 mils of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then just a good quality tonic water of your choice. Something a little bit on the drier side is nice. The Fever Tree Mediterranean is good because it has a bit less quinine, a little bit less bitter. Going with a healthy chunk of ice here. And then some cucumber slices, which always just makes me feel very healthful, you know? Sure, I'm drinking booze, but it's a salad basically. Go for those just around the edges here. And this one they called the Green Spring, so let's see how it goes. That's really yum, actually. I feel like obviously with the lemon juice in there and the tonic, it's really helped bring out the citrus in the Licor 43. There's definitely still a bit of sweetness. I'm not trying to say that it's as dry as a gin and tonic, but nicely balanced. And a good little freshness from the cucumber. I would definitely smash a few of those on a sunny day. So there we have the Green Spring. So now you know.